What's going on, everybody? This is Country Rider, and today we're going to be putting on, as you see right here, the charger port for the motorcycle. So let's jump into it. Alright, everybody, so today what we're going to do is we're going to put this charging port, USB port that I had on my unboxing, on the bike. We're going to put it right in here. This switch right here, that goes to my LEDs. So we're gonna put it like right above there because my mount for my phone is right there. So what I'm gonna need for this is, first off, I might need to extend this wire because I need this wire is gonna go underneath and through the gas tank to the direct in the battery. Now I don't have a fuse, but sometime down the road I am gonna put an inline fuse, and it's always best so that way I don't burn up my motorcycle. So but I don't have one right now. What we're gonna need is, as I showed you in the unboxing, we're gonna need that nut for the back and a drill and a bit. I don't have the right size bit because this is around about the hole that's gonna be in the fairing. So, and this is an inch bit right here. So, and there's still wiggle room in there. So we might have to like sand it out a little bit, but we'll do that when we get there. So I got my drill here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna tap a hole right where we feel comfortable. We're gonna take it nice and easy because I do got wires on the other side of this fairing. It's a dull bit too. I'm gonna take it nice and easy because I don't want to break or crack the fairing, so we're just gonna keep, dancing with it, trying to make sure it's center, give or take. Whew, that was a little bit more violent than I would have liked it, but all good. Open up that hole a little bit more. That looks a little rough, but I'm not really going to see that too much because the thing is going to be in there. Oh man, a little nut fell. Always the best spot to hold stuff. Always the best spot. Yeah, she's still a little tight around some of the edges, so I think I have a file somewhere in this shed, and we could file the edges out. If I can get the wiring back through. Jeez. All right, let's go get a file. There goes that charger again. Now we're gonna undo this so that way I can get it back through if I have to. So a little bit more. Actually, what I'm probably gonna do, and I just now thought of this, is I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but those two cords right there are actually blank cords, and they wrap all the way to the back of the bike. And what they are is for if you have like an accessory on your bike. I'm gonna probably see if that works right quick. Then I wouldn't have to fight the cords going underneath the tank. So I already got cords ran, and I think they're also connected to the fuse box. It's like a eureka moment I just had. Hey, tight fit, but hey, got it. Now, the next thing in this wiring project is we gotta open up the back of the seats to get to the battery and whatnot. Here's the battery. That's my paperwork for the motorcycle. Now those cords I was talking about are right here, where all my last video with the what am I thinking of, Aaron? Brain fart. Where the fuse box is at. So I'm gonna need a 10mm.
Six and a half hours later.
Alright guys, with a little bit of testing and a little bit of figuring out, I cut my wire down because this wire is actually directly already connected to the battery. So, and like I said, these wires underneath here were for if you have something external that you want to hook up. So we're just gonna hook these up, black tape it, boom. Speaking of black tape, first things first, I'm gonna put the nut on the back of this. I'm gonna thread this through. Ooh, alright, that's straight on, so this won't slip off. Not like it was going to anyway, but now what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect these two wires onto these two wires. Not a lot of wiggle room in here, trust me, I tried. Black is obviously gonna go on black, white's gonna go on red. So we're gonna connect one first, tape it, connect the other one, tape it, and then clean it up. Probably the proper way to do this so that way moisture ain't getting in here is like use solder and like some heat shrink, but I don't have heat shrink. And I don't have solder. There you go. Probably not the most prettiest thing in the world, but it will do. So now this should be working. So what I'm gonna do is I do have my phone here. It's shooting you guys, so that way I can see how the camera's angle is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug this USB in here. And I guess, I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully you guys can see that. There's a little pinhole. And it shines blue when it's on. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go, maybe right there. But yeah, so we're gonna shut it off. I'm gonna plug it in. Now, I'm gonna flick it on. Let's listen. I don't know if you guys heard that, but my phone went boop. Shut it back up. Now I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna go to show you guys the status bar. Not charging. Click the switch if I can find it. Charging. So that's it. And like I said, I didn't need to take off these panels at all because it's already connected. So that's cool. I'm gonna make sure when I'm not riding to have this off, because this will probably, that little LED bulb, although it's probably not much, will still drain the battery. So, and also if water gets in here, you know, it's not gonna short out anything because it will be off. So get that all nice and covered. There you go. So now I can run a wire from here to here. But so that's that, guys. If you guys have any questions about the process or anything like that, or if there's anything you think I missed, leave a comment down below. I'll answer back. I usually do. Other than that, see you in the next video. Next video is going to be great. Peace.